In other news, health officials reporting tonight another jump in the number of pertussis cases in the Missoula area. We learned today from the Missoula City-County Health Department they have now logged 47 confirmed cases of whooping cough. That's up from 39 just earlier today, and it's nearly 20 higher than yesterday. Pertussis cases have been confirmed in several Missoula County public schools, including Big Sky, Hellgate, and Sentinel High Schools. A new whooping cough case was reported by Frenchtown School District officials yesterday. Previous pertussis cases have also been reported in the Lolo and Florence school districts. Parents should check with their child's school for more information about testing and protocols if your child has been tested or has been in close contact with one of the whooping cough carriers.